there, lovely viewers! In our previous video, we learned how to knit this beautiful flower, and now, I'm going to show you an awesome way to expand it. The hint will be right here at the top. I'm using the same 5mm hook and a gorgeous yarn weighing around 100 grams with 230 to 250 meters length. Take a contrasting thread and create a securing loop. Slide it off the hook. And let's find that fourth loop among the double crochets from the previous row. Choose any spot where you want to insert the hook, it's totally up to you. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is our beautiful petal. We'll carefully insert a hook into the fourth loop. 1, 2, 3. And here we insert a crochet hook. Now, let's hook our loop and pull it in a perfect arc. We'll make an air loop and secure it in place. We're going to knit this tip right into our canvas. Hold your thread, insert the hook into the same loop we just left, and make a single crochet stitch. The meaning of this row is to knit single crochets completely in a circle and knit into the previous row along this petal. All we have to do is make 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Knitting. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Instead of moving on to the next stitch, we'll go to the row below and crochet another single crochet into the stitch below. Try to pull it to the same height where we are now knitting. Done. Next, we'll be creating a row of 7 single crochets for the next petal. Pay special attention to the first column as it hides gracefully beneath our long one. Let's count together, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Great job! And again, row below. Pull the thread up to the same height. Now, let's knit a single crochet. As we continue, we'll knit 7 more single crochets along these columns. Pay attention to every stitch. Oh no! Did you spot that tiny miss? Don't worry, mistakes happen. Let's fix it and make that column shine. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's move on to the lower row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook here and pull the thread to the same height. Knit a single crochet here. Then 7 more single crochets. So, let's repeat this row until we reach the end. Keep counting as we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great! We're almost at the very end now. Knit a single crochet on the row below, and only 1, 2, 3 single crochets remain. This is our beautiful flower. Now, just make a little adjustment to our petals. Look at this flower with its delicate convex pattern. We'll combining several patterns into a fabric in next video, and we want you to be a part of this magical journey. Share your thoughts and ideas what you want to see with these patterns in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the thrilling results. Next, we make a connecting post in our first single crochet stitch. Then into this fourth loop we need to knit a combination, double crochet, chain crochet, double crochet. Now we are doing 3 lifting air loop. 1, 2, 3. And finish with 4th air loop. 3 chain stitches count as a double crochet. Then, we make a yarn over and in the same loop, we create a stitch with 1 double crochet. Next, we'll knit a row with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we knit again combination in the same loop, double crochet, air loop and double crochet. This is how we get a flat side. And then, we knit again 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this loop we knit double crochet, chain, and double crochet. Double crochet, air loop, and into the same loop, double crochet. We do the same until the end of this row. So I almost finished it. I still have the last 7th column. I knit the 7th stitch. Then I join into the 3rd lifting loop. 1, 2, and here it is the 3rd loop. Join it with connecting post. Next we cut off the thread. And it turns out to be a wonderful flower like this. This is how we correct it a little. These petals need to be adjusted like this. Later I will connect several patterns and they will straighten out. Let me know what do you like to see from these patterns in comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. Subscribe to the channel to see the results. Bye bye and thanks for watching.